what has changed after joining Fluenzio?
Before joining Fluenzo, my English was not good. I know every sentence formation or everything. I know better English, but I don't have confidence to speak in front of other. I can speak in front of my family member, but with a stranger, I feel some hesitation. I don't have
Mm-hmm.
any words what I have to say or not. Then one day, my friend suggest me to join Fluenzo because
Okay.
I was looking to improve my English because uh, it helps me a lot in my career. So
Mm-hmm.
that's why I joined Fluenzo. And after taking one or two session, I feel that yes, by communicate on daily basis, I can improve my English. So now I can speak English in front of anyone. So this is the main
Okay.
thing that I got by joining this session. Initially, I used to do a lot of mistakes while speaking, but
Mm-hmm.
with the time, I improve a lot. So in this way, I improve my English.
Okay.
Uh, we cannot say that everything is done by the tutor only.
Mm-hmm.
We also have to put some efforts. The tutor point out your mistake and help you how you can make a sentence formation and how to use the proper word and pronunciation. Everything influencer tutor help us to improve
Mm-hmm.
your. But at some what we have to maintain your consistency. If you are not maintaining, if you are not
Mm-hmm.
taking session regularly, or then you cannot improve. With the consistency is also matter in this.
Okay.
So after taking 30 and this is my 14th session. After taking 14th session, now I'm feeling better and confident. So this
Mm-hmm.
is the main thing that I have done because I never skipped any session for long. Maybe due to
Mm-hmm.
some personal problems, I delayed or could not join sometime. But I consistent it upon. I used to take a 5 or 6 session in a week almost.
Okay. And how is your experience with platform as a whole? I mean, how is your experience with Fluenzio? For example, related to content, related to sessions, timing, schedule. So if you can tell me something about that.
Yes, my experience with Fluenzo is very good because I took session from some other platforms where uh,
Mm-hmm.
I don't speak much. Then other tutors started to pointing me out that we are saying wrong. This is wrong, and
Mm-hmm.
I complete only half sentence. The other sentence is completed by the other uh, platform tutors. But right now, what's going on? And I speak first. I have to speak whatever I have to speak. I speak it continue, but
Mm-hmm.
at the end, the tutor guide me that okay, you should have to say this. You can make this sentence formation in this way. So this is the
Mm-hmm.
best thing because after saying everything, the other person is guiding me. So it means
Mm-hmm.
that the tutor is paying full attention on you and listening to you properly. So this is the
Mm-hmm.
main thing. Uh,
Would you like to suggest our platform to someone, some of your friends or colleagues?
yes, I will suggest everyone for this platform who want to improve his or her English. But main thing is that how the other person is serious. If he's a serious, then it's uh, better to join
Mm-hmm.
this platform. Otherwise, no any tutor or any other thing in the world can improve your English. So if you are serious about your communication skills or your
Mm-hmm.
English skills, then you must join Fluenzo.